Let me ask you a quick question. When someone speaks English to you, do you understand the words, but your brain still feels a little slow?
And when you want to answer, does your brain do something like this? First, you think in your language, then you translate it into English, and only then you speak.
And sometimes while you're translating, the conversation has already moved on.
And you just smile awkwardly. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not alone.
Today, we're going to help you stop translating in your head and start thinking in English faster and more naturally. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Talk English.
The podcast where you learn English through real conversations.
I'm Sophie.
And I'm Jack.
And in this podcast, we help you improve your listening, speaking, and confidence in English.
So whether you're walking, studying, or relaxing, we're really happy you're here with us.
All right, Jack. Today's topic is something every English learner struggles with.
Yes, the famous problem.
Translating everything in your head.
Oh, yes, the brain traffic jam. Let's imagine a situation. You meet someone and they ask you, "Hey, what did you do this weekend?"
Simple question, right?
But your brain suddenly starts working like a machine.
Step 1, translate the question into your language.
Step 2, think of an answer in your language.
Step 3, translate the answer back into English.
And while your brain is doing all this work,
The other person is waiting. And finally, you say,
nothing.
even though you actually went to the market, watched a movie, met friends, and ate pizza.
Exactly.
This happens to many learners, and the problem is not intelligence.
And it's not even vocabulary sometimes.
The real problem is translation delay.
When we translate in our heads, our brain is doing two jobs at the same time.
First language and English.
That slows everything down.
But native speakers don't do this.
They think directly in English.
Now, here's something important. You don't need perfect English to start thinking in English.
Exactly. You only need simple English thoughts.
For example, imagine you wake up in the morning. What is the first thing you think?
Probably something like, "I'm tired."
Or, I need coffee.
Yes, definitely coffee. Those are already English thoughts.
Instead of thinking in your language and translating, try thinking simple English sentences.
At first, it feels strange.
Your brain might say, why are we doing this? But slowly, your brain adapts, and thinking in English becomes natural.
All right, let's learn a few useful phrases from today's conversation. Phrase 1, translate in your head.
This means changing a sentence from your language into English inside your mind. For example, I always translate in my head before speaking.
Phrase 2, speak naturally.
This means speaking in a relaxed and normal way. For example, after practice, she started speaking English more naturally.
Phrase 3, get stuck.
This means you stop speaking because you don't know what to say next. For example, I understand English, but I get stuck when I try to speak.
Phrase 4, think on the spot.
This means thinking quickly during a conversation. For example, when people ask questions, you must think on the spot.
Phrase 5, build the habit.
A habit is something you do regularly. For example, you can build the habit of thinking in English every day.
Phrase 6, small steps.
Learning a language happens slowly. For example, fluency comes from small steps every day. Let me tell you a short story about an English learner.
Story time.
His name was Alex. Alex studied English for almost 5 years.
He knew grammar, he knew vocabulary, but when he tried to speak, he always paused.
Because he was translating? Exactly. One day, his teacher gave him a strange exercise. For 1 week, Alex had to describe his life in English inside his mind.
Like what?
Simple things. I'm walking to the bus. I'm opening my laptop. I'm drinking coffee.
Very simple sentences.
Yes. At first, Alex felt silly. He thought, why am I talking to myself? But after 2 weeks, something interesting happened. During a conversation with a friend, he suddenly answered quickly.
Without translating. That must have felt amazing.
Yes, his brain had started thinking directly in English.
All right, let's give our listeners some practical tips. Tip 1. Start with small thoughts.
Don't try to think long sentences. Start small. I'm hungry. It's hot today. I need water. Small sentences train your brain.
Tip 2. Describe your surroundings.
Look around your room. Describe what you see. The table is brown. My phone is on the table. The room is quiet.
Tip 3. Talk to yourself.
Yes, it sounds funny.
But it works.
You can say, now I'm making tea. Now I'm opening my laptop.
Tip 4. Use simple English.
Many learners stop because they don't know a difficult word.
But you can say the same idea in a simpler way. For example, instead of saying, I am extremely exhausted, just say, I'm very tired.
Tip 5. Practice daily.
Thinking in English is a skill.
Even 5 minutes every day can improve your brain speed. All right, listeners, now it's your turn.
We have a small challenge for you.
Look around you right now. Think of one English sentence about something you see.
Maybe something like, I'm sitting on a chair.
Or, my phone is in my hand.
Write your sentence in the comments.
We love reading your examples.
Let's quickly review today's phrases. Translate in your head, speak naturally, get stuck, think on the spot, build the habit, small steps.
Try using one of these phrases today.
All right, Sophie, today's conversation was really helpful.
Yes, and remember, thinking in English takes time.
But if you practice every day, your brain will slowly change.
One day, you'll notice something amazing
You're speaking English.
without translating.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to Let's Talk English for more real English conversations.
Also, don't forget your challenge.
Write one English sentence in the comments.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then,
Keep practicing and keep talking in English.